Plant FAQs. Gopertia vechiana, peacock plant. Gopertia vechiana, also known as the peacock plant, is a popular houseplant with striking foliage. The plant is native to Brazil and is known for its large, oval leaves with prominent white or pink stripes. If you're considering adding a peacock plant to your collection, here are some frequently asked questions to help you get started. What is Gopertia vechiana? Gopertia vechiana is a tropical evergreen perennial plant in the Marantaceae family. The plant is closely related to the prayer plant and is known for its vibrant foliage. The leaves are large and oval-shaped, with prominent white or pink stripes. The undersides of the leaves are often purple. The plant can grow up to 2 feet tall and wide indoors. How to care for Gopertia vechiana. Gopertia vechiana is a relatively easy plant to care for, but it does have a few specific needs. Here are some tips for caring for your peacock plant. Light. The plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, as this can burn the leaves. Water. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Water the plant regularly, but allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Humidity. The plant prefers high humidity. You can increase the humidity by misting the leaves regularly or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. The plant prefers warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat sources. Fertilizer. Fertilize the plant monthly during the growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Repotting. Repot the plant every spring or when the roots become pot-bound. Use a well-draining potting mix. How to propagate Gopertia vechiana. Gopertia vechiana can be propagated from cuttings or by division. Here are the steps on how to propagate the plant from cuttings. Cut a healthy stem from the plant, leaving at least 2 nodes. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cutting in rooting hormone. Plant the cutting in a small pot filled with well-draining potting mix. Keep the pot warm and moist until the cutting roots. What to plant with Gopertia vechiana. Gopertia vechiana can be planted with other tropical plants that have similar light and humidity requirements. Some good companion plants include Calathea macayana, prayer plant, Maranta leucanura, arrowroot plant, Philodendron hederaceum, heartleaf philodendron, Aglaonema, Chinese evergreen. Is Gopertia vechiana toxic? Gopertia vechiana is not toxic to pets or humans. Benefits of Gopertia vechiana. Gopertia vechiana is a beautiful and beneficial houseplant. Here are some of the benefits of growing this plant. Air purification. The plant helps to purify the air by removing toxins. Stress relief. The plant's vibrant foliage can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Improved mood. Studies have shown that plants can help to improve mood and overall well-being. Common problems with Gopertia vechiana. Gopertia vechiana is a relatively hardy plant, but it can be susceptible to a few common problems. Here are some of the most common problems. Brown leaf tips. This is often caused by low humidity. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering or underwatering. Spider mites. These tiny pests can infest the plant, causing yellowing leaves and webbing. Compare with other confused or similar items. Gopertia vechiana is often confused with the prayer plant, Calathea macayana. These 2 plants are closely related and have similar foliage. However, Gopertia vechiana has larger leaves and more prominent stripes. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for caring for your Gopertia vechiana. Rotate the plant regularly to ensure even growth. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust. Inspect the plant regularly for pests and diseases.